Well, we're getting the hay picked up out of this field, and now we've got to load that 830 Moco, set it up on here, and go cut one of the other fields. But first, we're going to have our expert Ryan Winberg from Four Rivers Equipment show us how to take the loader off so you can run without it. It makes it more efficient, you get a better turning radius, and it doesn't wallow the pins out. So we're going to go ahead and show you that next.
Okay, we're just down here today to show the boys how to get set up for haying season. We're going to take the loader off the tractor, get the Moco set up, try to get everything ready to go, and see if we can't get some hay cut today. So first thing we want to do is drop the loader stands down. Drop one down on both sides. Pretty simple, doesn't take any tools or anything. Okay, loader stands are down. Got a level spot to work with. I think all we gotta do is fire it up and lower it down here. Carlos, fire it up. Okay, drop the loader down. That's good. We'll shut it off. Go ahead and remove the pins. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay, let's go ahead and start the tractor back up. Lift up the loader. Point out this part, this is really the best feature on the tractor. We're going to take all the hoses loose with no tools, no hydraulics, no nothing. Very simple. All right, I'll start her up, back it out. As you can see, pretty simple, done hooked the H340 loader off the 6125R. Now we're ready to hook the Moco on, go to the field.